Hi everyone, this is Jeoff and welcome to KingsFam YouTube channel. So today I will be doing a quick bike check of the road bike I used to pang-nagitusan ng boys. So Merida Reacto 4000. So ito yung gamit ko after no Foxter na binili ko rin kay Ralph before. So due to usage and age, yun na, nung bumigay na, ito na yung binili ko. So sit back, join me, and hopefully may makuha kayo mga details sa road bike na to in case you are planning to get one. Happy New Year, KingsFam TV! So as our first vlog entry for 2021, join me in discussing the parts and specifications of my road bike, Merida Reacto 4000. So I bought this bike August of last year dun sa Giant Bike Station in Parañaque, referred by Ralph. So eto yung address niya. You can find great deals here. So hanapin nyo lang sila, Derek and mga boss namin doon. Yun, so gumawa rin kami ng video nang binili namin yung bike sa Giant Store. You can find it in our channel, pero ito yung quick video, quick clip.
Anong model ng bike mo?
So I've been using this road bike pag nagtutour kami ng KingsFam, and ang current mileage niya is 1,400 kilometers. Now for a bike check, starting with the cockpit. So both handlebar and handlebar stem are from Merida. Yung handlebar is Expert CW model, while yung stem is Expert CC naman. Okay. So bar tape, so napalitan ko na siya recently, siguro last week lang, ng Cyclovation brand. Ng kulay niya naman is Fusion Blue. So sakto siya, nagmatch siya sa built bike color. And then isa rin naman siya sa mga best brands sa market, kaya yun yung pinili ko. For the accessories, headlight is Cat Eye Volt 400 XC, and then for the cycling computer is IGP Sport. So IGS 50E ang model niya. So ayan, hindi ko pa maikabit. The shifters, both front and rear, are Shimano 105 R7000 series, which is yung latest model of 105 right now. For the brake, ganun din, Shimano 105 and installed na siya. So, stock siya sa built bike. Wala na akong pinalitan dyan sa mga nakaset na shifters and brakes. The fork is Merida Reacto CF2, which is a full carbon tapered fork. So, yan. So, meron pa siyang Reacto name or model name dyan sa may fork. Sa frame naman, it also features Reacto CF2 na full carbon na rin. Hindi naman ako weight weenie, so hindi ko alam kung ano yung total weight nung frame lang. But the total weight of the built bike without the pedal is 8.61 kg. Built bike's chain wheel and bottom bracket are both FSA ang model. And then for the pedals, which I just recently upgraded, ay Shimano 105 na. The front and rear derailleur are both Shimano 105 as well. So, katulad ng brakes, kasama na siya sa built bike. So, no upgrades ang ginawa ko dito. And kaya isa rin to sa mga reason kung ba't binili ko yung bike, kasi maganda na yung quote-unquote group set. Well, di ba siya group set kasi iba hindi naman naka 105 eh. Like yung crank. Saddle and seat post, both from Merida. So yung seat post is model Expert CW, while the saddle is Comp SL. Now for the accessory, I bought a tail light with the brand Fitnix Model X Lite T. So maganda siya kasi pag nagbe-brake ka, may sensor siya that will indicate you doing that. Last item on the list is the wheel set. So the stock is from Merida, and then ang gulong niya naman is Continental Grand Sport Race. Thank you for joining me in this quick video, and hopefully you will like, subscribe, and share our YouTube channel KingsFam TV. Thank you.